None of us like this little thing that starts to develop, loose skin, a turkey neck. It's not just about aging. This here is called a platysma, and you have two. You've got one on both sides. It's a big muscle, it's a sheet muscle that's pulling your face down. Now, we don't want to be pulled down. What happens is when we pull down, we look sad, we look saggy, and we get this turkey neck. I'm going to give you 4 moves that you can do that have been proven to tighten, lift and tone and make your neck and your jawline look more youthful again. The platysma muscle appears on both sides of the face. It attaches above the jawline here and right down beyond our collarbone. It's responsible for pulling our face down. Now, as we get older, of course, especially if we are on devices, we are literally helping aging on its way. We are allowing this muscle to relax, it shrinks, and by doing so, it pulls us down. It's responsible for your turkey neck, your horizontal bands, all of the lack of tension on our neck, and of course our jawline. I'm 57 years old. This is my jawline. I don't think it's bad for my age, if I'm honest. And I do have a little bit of loose skin under here, but the 4 exercises that I'm about to show you have done wonders for my jawline and my skin. Right, I've drawn arrows so we know the direction that we want to pull our muscles. This is the first exercise that I want you to do. First of all, a visual. We're going to pretend that we are gritting our teeth at the back, pulling our mouth down to create the sound E. You can do it if you want to as well. So it's like this. E. We're going to do this for 30 seconds. Then we'll have a 10-second rest. Then we'll do it again for another 30 seconds. Right, let's get started. First of all, remember, we want downturned mouth. We want to really fire up that platysma muscle so it's being pulled up instead of being pulled down. E. 30 seconds like that, then have a 10-second rest and then do it again. Now, if you find it difficult to do that, you might find it easier just to pull the corners of your mouth down like this. Not very attractive, I know, but I can really feel my platysma muscles firing up, causing this. Can you see what happens? This is my platysma muscle firing up. That's the thing, if you look where it actually extends to, you see where it reaches? Just here. And that's exactly where I've got the formation of jowls. I keep on top of these exercises. Remember, I'm 57, so I'm really working hard to maintain my jawline and to not develop a turkey neck. So the next one is using our chin, and you can use your lips if it helps you, to extend the jaw. And this is this muscle here. So again, it's all the platysma, but it's also affecting this part of your jawline that is responsible for giving you that really sad downturned mouth look. We're going to do this. We're going to imagine jutting our chin out like this. It looks silly, I know, but it works. Doing that for 30 seconds might start to feel a bit achy. You're not working these muscles. If you are on your device all day long, we're doing the exact opposite. We are literally causing that muscle to relax and pull down. So I don't care how silly I look, 30 seconds, 10-second rest, and another 30 seconds. So let's go. Push our chin up and out like this. Okay, that is move number 2. Right, now we're on to move number 3. This requires you to tilt your head back. We're going to open our mouth slightly. We're going to put our tongue on the roof of our mouth, just behind our teeth, our front teeth, and we're going to just close our mouth whilst everything is engaged. 30 seconds on, 10 seconds off. This is what it looks like. Up, like this, tongue right behind my front teeth, And then I'm going to close my mouth. Now, let me tell you, that will feel quite achy, which is a good thing. It's telling you that you are actually engaging the muscles, you're doing what needs to be done, putting the tongue at the roof of the mouth, underneath or behind the front teeth, extending the neck and then closing the mouth is pulling everything. Whereas your platysma and all of these muscles that are causing that turkey neck are pulling down, you are encouraging them back up. Right, I've saved the best till last. This is what I would like to say is your goldfish face. This is move number 4. We're going to open our mouth as wide as we can, as if you're having an incredible yawn. We're going to fire up this. We're going to fire up our muscles in the jaw, the muscles that come along, this platysma that's pulling us down. Now the yawn sensation or the yawn practice that we're going to do will fire up these muscles, which will give you that lovely jawline. It's also going to help with the platysma, which will stop jowl formation and turkey neck. Right, this is how we do it. Tilt your head slightly back and open your mouth wide. And then we're going to close it. So we're going to have our mouth open wide for about 10 seconds, then close for 10 seconds, and then open. So 3 times, 30 seconds. Ready? That's it. Those are my 4 exercises. Do them every single day. You are going to find that you're going to get results. Remember, these are just one part of the puzzle. We need to think about upping our protein. We need to think about hydration and skin protection as well. If you're in the sun, it does break down collagen, but the underlying structures, the fascia and the muscles, these exercises are going to help you get that youthful jawline, neck, lift that turkey neck and get rid of those horizontal bands. I hope you enjoyed today's video. This video is going to help you with your crepey arms. I suggest you watch that next.